Welcome back. It is lesson 2 of Unit 6. I am happy to see you here. We're going to warm up today with a chain, and I want you to pay attention specifically to the vowel sound in this chain because it's a review, which is good. We need to review. Reviews are great. Okay, so come on. All right, the first word in our chain will be spout. The word is spout. Out. Spout. Okay? So, out. Spout. That vowel sound, that ow. One of those O teams from Unit 3. Good practice. From spout to pout. What change am I making? Spout to pout. What change am I making? Yes, I'm dropping the S. I'm losing the blend and I'm making just the out. Pout. Spout to pout. So pout. All right. Pout to pouch. Pout to pouch. What change am I making? An ending sound change. Good. I'm going from ts to ch. Pouch. Ouch. And notice it's after an ow vowel team, so it's the original CH, original. From pouch to couch. Pouch to couch. What change am I making? A beginning sound change. Good. Pouch to couch. All right, now let's keep going. You know what a couch is, like sofa, couch. From couch to crouch. So this is crouch, so you crouch down. So couch to crouch. What sound am I making? What change am I making? Sorry. Ooh, yes, I am not losing and I'm not swapping. I'm adding. I'm not swapping, I'm adding. I'm going to ouch. Crouch. Good. From couch to grouch. Couch to grouch. Yes, I changed the first sound. Couch to grouch. Still with that ow. From grouch to grout. Grouch to grout. I made an ending sound change. Good. Grout. Sorry. Grout. What's grout? Okay, so if you go look in the bathtub or the shower, you know, like that white trim line that's around it, or better yet, the tile in the floor potentially, whatever like that. Those white lines that go between the tiles, that's called grout. That stuff is grout. All right, from grout. No, listen, we're gonna stop at grout. No. So for some reason, the person that wrote the list, the originalist, had the idea that we could go from grout to out. What's wrong with going from grout to out? Let me write it. I'm going to show you. I'm going to write the words just so you can see it because it's not really part of this chain. Grout to out. What's wrong with going from grout to out? I'm changing two sounds because gr is a blend. You can still hear the g. You can still hear the r. So if I'm going with changing one sound at a time, I can't go from grout to out. I could go from grout to route, but that's a whole different spelling. We don't know that spelling yet. So I can go from grout to route to out, but we don't know the spelling for route yet. So that's not going to work. All right, so grout. And the sound The vowel sound we reviewed was the sound L, spelled O-U. The vowel scheme O-U. Good job. All right, so I told you yesterday that we were going to talk more about this busybody C and its new sound. So this is C, cat, k. That's normal. We do that all the time. That's familiar. That's got a big old power bar. That is most of the time. Well, there's also C, scent, and scent like money scent. Not like sent something in the mail. That's spelled with an S. But scent like money is C-E-N-T. And what we said and what we established is that C is likely pronounced S when it's followed by, meaning the letter after it is E, I, or Y. So is this a good example? Yeah. And then C is likely pronounced K when it's followed by A, O, or U, like cat. Okay? So, like cat and cot and cut and all those good words, okay? Scent, city. So let's look. So k and s are the sounds made by the letter C. The one we use the most is cat. So C, cat, k. C, scent, s. Alright guys, so what we're going to do, we're going to practice a little bit together in your cat book. Aha, aha, C-A, cat book on page 2.1. We're going to do this together, and then you're going to turn it in to me. I want to see it, okay? So, we're looking at words as k, as in cat, and s, as in scent. So, cat, cop, cup. What C sound is that? Good. Scent, pencil, cell. What C sound is that? S. So what's going to happen is we're going to read each of these sentences. And in each sentence, a word has the letter C. At least one word has the letter C, used not like CH, because clearly that C doesn't count because it's part of a ch digraph. But you see the letter C used to spell one of these two sounds. Because the k sound is the most common, we're going to try it first. We're also going to listen to and apply the rules. So the s sound is usually C-I, C-Y, C-E, and the k sound is usually C-O, C-A, C-U. But also actually, we just know that we use the k sound. What is the percentage on that? 80%, about 80% of the time it's k, and about 20% of the time it's s. Let me see if I got any cubes. All right, so that means if this is all the times we use the letter C, this many are k, and this many are s. You see that? So definitely we use k most of the time. So let's look at this first sentence. It reads, she is a good, here's our word. The C is underlined. C is followed by E, but it's an R-controlled So let's try it. Danker. She's a good danker. Okay, that sounds weird. She's a good dancer. So the fact that this E is part of that R-controlled vowel, it's still, we're looking at the letter, not its spelling. Got it. Dancer, dancer. So this, as in sit, dancer. Okay, let's try this one, It's time to get in the, right, C-A should be K. Don't worry about the fact that this is an A-R-R. No? All right, let's go for it. It's time to get in the car. That sounds right. That does sound right. Well, let's just check this just in case. It's time to get in the SAR. I ain't never in my life gotten a SAR, but I've gotten in a car. So I think this is car. So k as in cat. Car is k as in cat. And just look. So we have C-E-N-T. E, we have C, we're going to underline both of them. C-E, C-A. C-E and C-A. All right, let's go to the next one. Number 3. That kite you have is so, oh no, it's so something. All right, this word is spelled C-O-O-L. Spelling, letter names. C-O suggests that it should be the K sound. But O-O, that's ooh or ugh. Did I say that the sound of the C has anything to do with the way the vowel sounds, or the following letters, the next letter sounds? No, it's about which letter is in that position, which letter is immediately following the letter C. Not what sound it's making, what letter it is. And I think we can agree that the kite you have is so cool, cool, ooh, makes a lot more sense than the kite you have is so sool. That don't even have a good mouthfeel. The kite you have is so cool. The kite you have is so cool. Again, C-O. C-O. It makes sense. It follows the rules that we have been told. Now, like I said, these are most of the time rules. There are exceptions. There are times when this followed by, could be an S instead, but these are most of the time. This is how you are able to help yourself decipher so you can decode what it is you are reading. All right, set it down in the blank of the room. All right, so here we have the C. It's underlined. I see with my eyeballs, I see with my eyes, C-E. So if it's C-E, it should be the sound S. If it's C-E, it should be the sound S. Well, let's try K, because that is the one that we use. That's our 80%. Is 80 and is just 20. So let's try it. Set it down in the center of the room. The center of the room? What on earth is the center of the room? I don't have no clue either. How about set it down in the center of the room? Yeah, that sounds a lot better. That makes a lot more sense. Center, as in scent. Oh, wait, so you mean our sample word scent and center, even starting with the same first syllable? Okay, so C-E, center. Okay, for lunch we had crabs or strabs? Crabs or strabs? Crabs. We had crabs. Good. Yes. Excellent. Excellent. Yep. C is likely to be pronounced k when it's part of a consonant cluster, meaning consonants together, your blends. So crabs. Crabs. C-R-A-B-S. Crabs or srab. I can't even say srabs. That doesn't even feel right. Okay. He gave me a lot of, all right, C-H-O-I, oi. Then we have C-E-S. Okay, so the S could mean there's more than one. That's fine, but C-E. Well, C-E suggests, but percentage suggests K. Let's try both just to be sure. He gave me a lot of choices. He gave me a lot of choices. I guess it could be some choices. It sounds like a fish, honestly. How about he gave me a lot of choices? Yeah, choices. Choices. He gave me a lot of choices. Choices. He gave me a lot of choices. All right, good. Look up there. See that big? All right, we have a C followed by a consonant. Well, we just read that usually with consonant clusters, meaning more than one consonant together, digraphs, trigraphs, blends, all that good stuff, it should make the K sound, which does make sense because if we're splitting half the vowels here and half the vowels there, that we're gonna get 80%. So is this a big cloud or a big sloud? A sloud or a cloud? It's a cloud. Look up there. See that big cloud? Cloud. Good. So let's go down the column and read the k word. So for k, as in cat, we had car, cool, crabs, cloud. So when it's followed by the A, when it's followed by the O, when it's part of consonant clusters, more than one consonant together. Now let's look at as in scent, dancer, center, choices. Using all of those actually use CE. They all use CE today. So good job. So I do want to see this. I do want to see this. So you'll be prompted to give me a picture of it. But what else are you going to be prompted to do? I'll show you in a second. Hold on. I'm strategically erasing just to make sure that you have a spot where you can pause and see that just in case. At the top. Dancer, car, cool, center, crabs, choice, cloud, on a cloud. Alright, so you're going to see me a picture of that, but you're also going to sort some words. This comes from page 6.2, the S and K spelled C. So you have a grid of words. There are 12 words. You're going to sort them. I also want you to write some sentences. Go write some sentences. Yes. Using the words, practicing with the k and s spelled C. So that's that. So you guys have some sentences. Let me make a note and say that I added sentences. Like, no, don't write it down. Maybe you'll forget. Nope. All right, so you're going to give me a picture of the work we did together. Sort and sentences to go along with what you sorted out, these words. And that's all I have for you today. So remember, use those rules to help you sound these things out and figure out which word is which and where it's supposed to go. But guys, that's all I have for you. I can't wait to see you a little bit later. Until then, bye.